Everyone comes to stare at me. So much joy and revelry, but they don't know how I feel inside. The room I smile, I cry, and they don't know what they are doing to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that I know why the cage bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, 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 spreading her wings and her song. Just let her fly. Just let her fly, just let her fly, let her fly. Spread her wings, spread her beauty. And I'm going to perform.